Hello, I'm Ceribel Sosa from Dominican Republic. I'm currently doing PPCR 2022, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some learnings from this week. We are currently talking about missing data. What is missing data? It's about a value that is not available when we are going to do our statistical analysis. And what happened? Why we have missing data? We have many reasons. For example, the most common reason patients drop out, and why patients drop out. There are many reasons for this. Patients, as Dr. Fanny says in the book, can drop out because they think the study is not improving their quality life, or maybe because adverse events, maybe because they move from city. There are many things that can happen. That's why the investigator has to prevent the missing data in the protocol. For example, today we have a case study where Dr. Strong hasn't prevent the missing data in the study, and when he finished collecting data and of the stuff, he has the concern, what I'm going to do now that 3% of the patients drop out. And that's why we have to be aware of missing data, what we can do when we have this situation, because it can happen. It is a possibility to happen in the study. So there are many things that we can do when we have missing data. For example, the most common things that people can do is complete case analysis. They only analyze the case that are complete. But what happened with this? For example, in this case, that the dropout is very high, the quality of the study, the validity of the study decrease in this case. Another things that can happen when we randomize the patients, if we use only the case that are complete, we will have bias, because, for example, the aim that has 70 patients in the main treatment, and the other half 70 with placebo. For example, if the dropout is from the main things of the study, so we don't have a quality data to compare. In this case, we have a statistical analysis that we can do for prevent this error in our study, it to decrease the internal validity, it to decrease bias. So my recommendation in this chapter number 13 from our book of missing data is to prevent the missing data. In the phase of designing the study, we have to be clear, what am I going to do if I have this? What am I going to do if I have missing data? I say it again, it is frequently in clinical trials and investigation that we have missing data. So be aware what to do when we have missing data. And the most important things, let's prevent missing data. Bye bye.